Is your 2008-2010 Dodge Charger key fob failing to lock, unlock your doors, or start the car intermittently? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. These key fobs use a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or prying tool. First, ensure your car is off. Then, carefully pry open the key fob casing. The fob has a two-piece plastic case held together by clips or screws. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting which way it faces, plus side up. Insert the new CR232 battery with the plus side facing up. Securely close the fob casing until it snaps shut. Most of the time, no reprogramming is needed. If it doesn't work immediately, try cycling the ignition key twice within 10 seconds to resync the system. Always dispose of old batteries responsibly by recycling them to prevent contributing to global e-waste. Look for local recycling programs to handle this properly. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check the battery orientation with positive side up. Bending the fob casing is a common pitfall, so handle it gently. While older chargers need manual battery replacement, newer cars use rechargeable or long-life batteries, and digital keys via smartphone apps are becoming common. However, for your 2008-2010 Charger, DIY replacement remains cost-effective, saving you from expensive dealer visits.